How can I make learning Spanish fun and engaging? In my opinion, like education will only be educational if you keep it as education. Like if you blend entertainment and education, you get like edutainment, but that edutainment is not more educational than education by itself. Of course, right? Because it's a distraction. Entertainment distracts from education. And so it's in my belief, the way I learn, in fact, is that like if you want to learn Spanish, like just learn Spanish, like just learn it itself. Don't like try to combine fun with learning, because if you spend, let's say you want to have 1 hour of fun and 1 hour of learning isolated by themselves is more effective than 2 hours of fun and learning, if that makes sense. Because the brain just gets distracted when the brain can't like multitask as well as you think. The brain can only focus on like one thing at a time and do that thing very well, one thing at a time. And so multitasking is a very easy way to slow down progress. There's this like test I like to give, and it's not mine at all. But in our school, we have like this presentation. We have them all the time, or like people come to our school to present things. And we had this one thing about productivity, and one of the examples that the teacher gave was like this exercise, and I found it really helpful. It was like count to 10, and then you count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can do very quickly, and then you count to the 10th letter of the alphabet. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Boom. And when you put the time for both of those together, you get something like 5 seconds, very fast. But then if you tried going 1A, 2B, D4, etc., it would take much longer than 5 seconds. And so the idea there is that you have to think about you have to multitask. You have to go from numbers to letters. You have to go back and forth from these two things that are completely different. And so that's what, in my eyes, edutainment is. When you try to combine fun and learning, that's what that becomes. It becomes, oh, I'm learning. No, I'm learning. Okay, now I'm having fun. I'm having fun. Okay, now I'm learning. And they're trying to combine them makes the hours that you study less effective. Now, if that's okay with you, like if certain people, if that trade-off is worth it, then by all means, I think go and do it. To me, if I have 2 hours and I wanna have 1 hour of fun and 1 hour of education, I would focus 1 hour purely on education and then 1 hour purely on fun. That way, I maximize my productivity in both of them. So I maximize the fun and dopamine that I have, and I maximize the amount of education that I do. So making Spanish fun, like if you can do it, do it. I just don't think that doing it is as like productive as it may seem. That it's also why like people who do Duolingo, they usually aren't very there's this guy I know, I won't say his name or anything, but there's this guy I know who like he has like 1,000-day streak on Duolingo or something insane. And like I don't want to I wouldn't say I'm like much better than him, but I would say I'm more fluent. And so I have not put in that many hours. Now, granted, it was much easier for him to stay consistent on that because it was fun. So over the past 3 years, yeah, it's been fun for him to do, fun for him to do that. But I think you can maximize fun by just focusing on fun, and you can maximize education by just focusing on education. And combining the two is like, it's something you want to do because it seems productive, but I think it's a little elusive. Like, I think it's like the woman in the red dress. It's like, you want to do it, but you got to think logically to think that you shouldn't, right? It's the same thing. Yeah, it's kind of like that. It's like an opportunity. It's like, what's that thing called? Shiny object syndrome. You want to do it, but you got to think logically about the actual implications and how it works.